Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 free money apps that every South African must have in 2021. As always, welcome to Dollar Influencer. My name is Larry and I will be guiding you to the 5 free money apps that every South African definitely must have. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to Dollar Influencer. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump right into the video. The name of the first app that you need to have in South Africa is called Current. Now, Current is a music site where you can get paid to play your favorite music. As it says here, you can play and earn more points the more that you play. See what is next. Spend your points on in-app features, search and play for 100,000 radio stations. Earn points by playing your favorite music. Now, what is the purpose of Current? Current is a website where artists pay Current to promote their music and get more listeners. You as the customer will consume the music in exchange for money. Spend your points on your favorite brands and you can actually get money from doing that. Now, a quick disclaimer on Current: it takes a very long time to actually make money with Current, but it definitely works. As it says here on How Do I Earn, the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play creator radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the display playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for any important updates. When you actually listen to music, you will get points, and once you get those points, you'll be able to transform those points into money and gift cards. As it says, points can be spent in various ways. Gift cards for your favorite services, and you can even do donations to certain charities, but we actually want to earn the money. How do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you do it is based on how much of your profile can withstand. So Current is a very good app. You can actually go to sleep while listening to music. The only downside with Current is that if your phone is not on, then it won't readily work. So you can actually go on your settings and just set your phone on a setting where it will continuously stay on and you can earn. It's a very slow process, but if you do it more and more, you will actually make money. And once you reach a certain threshold, I think it is about $5, and once you reach that threshold, then you'll be able to withdraw. Make sure to have a PayPal account, and if you follow all of those instructions, then you should be fine. Anyways, let's go on to the second app that you need in South Africa. The name of the next app that you need in South Africa is called Tuluna Influencers. Tuluna is a survey-based website where you can get paid by voicing your opinion. As it says, influence your world, your voice, our voice, the vision, and get started. So this is a website that focuses mainly on inspiring the youth. Your personal opinion can become the inspiration that others need, and you can obviously click on the learn more. So I'm just going to go down the various options and opportunities that you can do with Tuluna Influencers. It says here, let us help you. With great feedback comes great rewards, and they are obviously very good partner brands. You have the power to influence some of the world's largest brands. Share your insights and be rewarded instantly. They have partnered with Amazon, CBS, and even Coca-Cola, and these are the testimonials that people do to kind of add credibility. I originally came here for the rewards, but I mostly enjoyed the banter. And I think the most important thing about websites like this is to always go on the testimonials, because then you can really get a broader view about what this website can do. So all in all, it is just a website where you do surveys. As it says, are you ready to begin influencing your world? You can just obviously click on the get started button, and once you do that, you will be taken to a place where they will ask for your first name. If you click on the login, if you've already done Tuluna Influencers, you can click on the login. If you haven't done it before, then you can click on the sign up, and as it says, what is your first name? Once you have gotten to this point, then you just need to follow all of the instructions. Create an account, remember your email, remember your password, and once you have done that, you will be able to freely do surveys and freely make money. Once you reach the threshold, then you will be able to withdraw it with your PayPal, of course. Now let's get on to the third app. The name of the third app is one of my personal favorites, Fiverr. Find the perfect freelance services for your business. Fiverr is a freelance service where you can be a professional, anything, pretty much anything that you can put your mind to, a voice actor, a drawer, an editor, anything that you can think of, you can find on Fiverr. If you are somebody looking for service to be completed, you can literally find anything that you want to find on Fiverr. I am actually a voiceover artist on Fiverr actually, and I've gotten multiple gigs doing that. So if you think that you can also do voiceover acting, you could also go on Fiverr and sign up. I've personally gotten a lot of great jobs, and they are very, very welcoming and accepting. It is a very good community in Fiverr. What you need to do is that you need to get a laptop or a computer, because unfortunately the mobile version does not offer the experience of actually signing up and becoming a work or a freelancer on Fiverr. So go on your desktop and go on Fiverr jobs, and you can actually sign up as a job, and you can become anything that you can think of. You can become an animator, a writer, anything that you can think of. You will be very, very surprised at the things that people want to be done nowadays at very, very cheap options. You can charge somebody anything from 10 Rand to 20 Rand to 200 Rand. Now just imagine you are a voiceover artist for something and you charge 200 Rand a gig. Imagine you get 10 gigs in a week. Imagine the amount of money that you could be making just from doing those gigs. So watch out for Fiverr, guys. If you feel like the other apps did not help you, then Fiverr is definitely the go-to. Pick a skill, find a skill. It's something that you know that you are very, very good at, and you can go on Fiverr and you will definitely find something for you. Now let's get on to the fourth app. The name of the first app that you need to have in South Africa is called Metro Opinion. Works pretty much just like Tuluna Influencers. Paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. But the catch is that it says get up to 45 Rand for each survey that you could complete. Now, how do you do that? How do you earn on paid surveys? In 3 easy steps. The first thing that you need to do is sign up, obviously. And then after that, you need to answer surveys on email. And the good thing about these people is that they will send you emails and answer sheets and surveys on your email, so you don't even need to go to the official website of Metro Opinion. All you can do is that make sure that you enter your right email, your right passwords, and every single morning when you wake up, you will get a notification that there's a survey that needs to be completed. Once you've done that, you do the survey, you get your points. Once you have enough points, you transform those points into revenue, and then you get your PayPal link it, and as simple as that, you will get paid. I don't want to spend too much time on Metro Opinion because it has the same philosophy and psychology as Tuluna Influencers, just with a little catch that they send you an email instead of you having to go right to the source. So right now, let's get on to the final website, or rather app, that every South African must have. The name of the last app that you need to have in South Africa is called Microwork. Now, Microwork is very similar to Fiverr. Make money with your smartphone. As it says here, complete your first task, enter your email address, and you can literally start earning money. And the good thing about Microwork is that all you need to do is reach $1 and you can withdraw it. So you don't need to wait until you reach $5 or $10. You can literally withdraw it very, very quickly. So the good thing about Microwork is that you get to do tasks, and once you do those tasks, you will be able to get paid by completing those tasks. So as it says here, what kind of tasks are available? Photos. Be the teachers. Take photos of everyday things, and you can literally make money just from doing that. So they will give you specific challenges like take a picture of a certain building with a certain color, and once you do that, you will literally make money from that. Now, there are a lot of websites or a lot of challenges that they have that are not based in South Africa, which can be a downside for us, but there are a lot of very similar challenges that even people in South Africa can actually achieve. Maybe things like take a picture of a nice flower or a butterfly, things like that that you can actually achieve and actually get. And once you upload the picture, they will review it, and if they approve it, then you will definitely get paid. So just make sure you follow the instructions, and I promise you, you will be a-okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. Always stay in tune because we are releasing every single day, Monday to Friday, so stay in tune, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Peace.